Oxidation is stealing your money and no one's telling you. But let's start with my routine, my skincare routine. I use this vitamin C, and when I open it normally, this is how it looks like after 1 month, after 2 months, and after 4 months. This is oxidation, and all it takes is oxygen and time. Oxidation affects lots of products like food, pet food, cosmetics, lubricants. All of them change when they are oxidated in colors, flavors, textures. The result? More than 30 billion of annual losses each year. Hi everyone, I'm Sofia, and at Migma, we extend the shelf life of products by combining antioxidants and artificial intelligence. Companies nowadays use antioxidants to prevent oxidations. Normally, they use more or less the same antioxidants in all their products, expecting the overall performance to be the same. But that's not true in most of the cases. You cannot use the same antioxidants for different products. But look at this. I'm going to give you a real example. A client that we have just started working with sent us 2 samples of fish oils from different fishes, yes? And both of them had the same antioxidant. The results show that the antioxidant was 10 times less effective in one of the fish oils. The client had no idea. He just trusted what the industry was selling. And also, worse is that the antioxidant represented the 7% of the product cost, and it was not doing the job it had to be done. Yes? The reality here is that antioxidants are unspecific, and today we need better mixtures. But I understand why today the industry doesn't perform better antioxidants. Because today the method to get them is a trial and error method. Just imagine that we have more than 60,000 of antioxidants. So the total combinations to be tested at the lab is astronomical. And this hasn't been economically viable until now. And here is where Migma comes in. We built our AI platform, patent, we train it with proprietary data, and this platform is able to match the best antioxidant mixtures with each product. What to a company takes years, we do it in minutes. How it works? Okay, a client shares the requirements, we simulate millions of combinations, and once we have the top candidates, we make zoom in the super antioxidants. We test them at the lab and then produce them. How far have we come? Okay, we have already validated at the lab that our mixtures outperform the leading commercial ones. In one case, we could triple the shelf life of an organic oil, while the best commercial one could just duplicate it. These results make us confident to go fast. And in just 9 months since Migma was born, we are now validating with the industry. We have 5 ongoing pilots across 3 different countries and 3 different industries, targeting use cases of shelf life, cost efficiency, performance improvement, and clean label. That's why today we are raising 1.2 million, so we are able to upgrade our AI platform, so we deliver at scale, also launch the first commercial MVP, and expand our product pipeline across different industries. We're a business-to-business company, and we produce tailor-made solutions for food and pet food manufacturers, for ingredient, chemical, and cosmetic companies that own their own production facilities. We operate under royalties and licensing, helping them to improve their current solutions and develop new ones. This is a 7 billion global opportunity. If we focus on the food market in the US and Europe, it's almost 1/3, and we are targeting a 100 million market with 100 clients ready to use smarter oxidation solutions. Meet the team driving Migma. I'm proud of this team. Carlos has more than 20 years mastering antioxidants. Lucas has really deep expertise in AI and analytical chemistry. Thomas adds more than 15 years of experimental chemistry, and myself with a background in business and industrial engineering, all together to make Migma the world's specialist in antioxidants, because in a world facing food scarcity, extending shelf life is a global opportunity. Migma, making food immortal. Thanks.